I had a problem with the microphone on several parts of this video, so I had to do some voiceover. I think it sounds rather professional and it sounds fantastic, so see if you can discover where the voiceover was, and if you can, leave a comment. Good morning. Today I'm going to make another picture frame. I know that you've seen a lot of other picture frames that I've made before, but yeah, there are a lot of YouTube content creators who do the same thing over and over and over and have thousands of views, so it's not like you're going to be bored. So enjoy, and we'll see how it works out. This is what we're going to make a frame for today. It is a embroidery that my wife had created, and it really kind of looks nice. So I'm really going to enjoy doing this for her, and hopefully my woodworking does her embroidery justice.
This is some black walnut I picked up at the store, and I'm going to yabber along, and I'm going to tell you it feels like wood. Ooh, does it feel like wood? So smooth. And oh my gosh, yabber, yabber, yabber. Don't put your finger in there, and did it anyways. And oh, well, let me see. Does it move? I'll have to test to see if it moves, and it will move. Oh my gosh, it moved. And what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm recording a video, I think, but I don't know what I'm doing. Blah, 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 blah. Look at this picture frame. It's pretty, isn't it? It came out very nice, in my opinion.
I wonder what I'm doing.
All right, babe. See what you think about this.
Oh, I like it.
Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You get to 10, good job.
It is my opinion that there's no way you could tell where the overdub was and where the original recording is. But those eagle ears out there, feel free to comment.